as several last expos, I'm again here at Euro Model Expo 2024 with my Stand with Ukraine project, where I collect 50% of all raised funds to our organization to help Ukraine. But this year I'm also with a couple of new models, like this David's and Trident David model, and they also available in the frame of this project now. And also as a part of this project, I'm starting this Ukrainian Naval drones model series, and this time I brought the prototype of this Sia Baby 3D printed model, which will be available soon. I'm optimizing now the structure and how parts comes together and 3D printing. So that will be also the part of the Stand with Ukraine project, and will be half of all funds will go to our organization. So you're welcome to come to my stand at Expo, and I'm looking forward to see you there.